What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are less than a week away from Christmas.
It is rapidly approaching.
Yeah, and for us, even shorter of a timeline because we just got to Florida and we just got our Christmas tree.
Yep, so we went out and we picked it up, and we live in an RV, but we still get a real Christmas tree every year.
Go ahead.
I was just say the best part about it is putting it up in the RV. The whole thing smells like a pine forest, and it is amazing.
I know, people are so surprised we actually get a real Christmas tree, and not just a little one. I mean, we go Griswold sometimes. This year, I would say this is probably our smallest tree.
Yep.
But we have another family member. Our dog is now huge, so this is like perfect. I cannot wait to decorate our tree.
Before we decorate and to get us into the spirit of the holidays, we are going to make Christmas pizza trees.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. To get us started, we're gonna lay out our puff pastries. And because we don't travel with a rolling pin or roller of any kind, I'm gonna use our trusty pizza sauce jar to roll out our puff pastry. Look at that, getting creative, making it work here. Looks good, it's about the size of our cutting board. Next up, we are going to lay down our pizza sauce. So today we've got a little zingy, spicy pizza sauce.
I do?
Yeah.
You get spicy
Bold and
sauce?
spicy.
Oh,
Look
nice.
at that. Hopefully Cade won't notice. We're just gonna do a nice light layer of pizza sauce. You know, one thing that we love about traveling is we collect ornaments everywhere we go. So our tree is actually a representation of all of our travels. It's great because each time we decorate our tree, we can talk about all the places we've been and the memories we have of where we've traveled to. Okay, so next up, our little secret here is to add some Parmesan sprinkled on top of our pizza sauce. Just do a little sprinkle here. And then we will lay our pepperonis. Then we will add our mozzarella cheese on top. I'm gonna make sure that the mozzarella layer isn't too thick because next we're going to add a puff pastry on top. And we'll just do the same thing before we top our pizza. We will roll out the other puff pastry. And then hopefully our puff pastries are somewhat the same size because we want it to cover all of the pizza. Look at that! Oh yeah. I'm gonna go around the edges and just make sure that they're touching, somewhat closing the pizza cheese and pepperonis in there. And then we're going to create slices to make our Christmas trees. All right, then we're gonna grab a wooden rod and one strip of our pizza.
This is where things get interesting.
Yeah, and we're gonna curl them up. That one probably should have curled up a little bit more. But there's one tree. Let's make more curls on the next one. That's our short little tree. All right, last one, and then Spencer is gonna get these on the griddle.
That's right, I'm still here. All right, I've got a griddle set to low, and I'm gonna put just a thin coating of oil down. And now it's time to put our Christmas tree pizza trees on the griddle. Somebody was a little restless, so she's come out to join us. It's time to pull our trees off the griddle.
All right, our Christmas pizza trees are ready. So we're just gonna take them off the skewer rods.
Somebody wants to watch.
Hi, Sierra. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of pizza sauce for the dipping. And voila, we are ready. And for a little extra fun, we are going to now decorate our Christmas pizza trees. So we're gonna add a little topping, a little tree topping.
Here, I'm gonna put some Christmas balls on one.
I'll hold her. There's our ornaments.
Yeah, just like a real tree. You can put some snow on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of snow on our Christmas trees.
There we go. All right, well, we've decorated our trees, and then we're gonna go decorate our tree.
Yeah.
So let's get some food in our belly. And
these are so cute. I love it. I love how festive and
yeah, they look really great.
Are you trying one too?
Oh, hello there, buddy.
All right, pick one. Pick one of your Christmas trees.
Pizza shows up, and so do the kids.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's smallest though.
Okay. That's delicious.
Best Christmas tree I've ever eaten.
That is really good. Cheese adds that texture that crisps up as it like oozes out of the trees.
Yeah, it gets nice
Super
and
good.
crunchy.
The puff pastry has such a good flavor. It's different than a pizza crust, which is what I like the variety, and it tastes really good.
Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. And we hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful holiday season with your friends and family. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the fantastic videos.
From Todd, Betty, Bruce, Nate, CJ, and us.
And until next time, guys, have a Merry Christmas. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.
This is so good.